Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep me focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So, today you guys, I am going to be showing you how to make a keto-friendly garlic bread. And if you could smell through your phone, oh my gosh, you would not walk, but you would run to your cabinets and your fridge to get the ingredients to make some for yourself. This stuff smells amazing. So I will be rolling the footage in a few minutes to show you just how easy it is to put this together. Now I will have to say guys, growing up in New England, I was never lack of finding a place to get some of the very best garlic bread. So being on keto, you know, one thing that we are challenged with is not being able to eat bread. And I have to say, this is the very first bread recipe that I have made, and the way it looks, it will not be the last. So let's see how good it tastes. Oh, wow. You guys, look at the inside of that. Oh. Wow. I got this big old plate here because when I smell this, I say, you know what? Portion control is going to go out the window. But I'm going to be good, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and give this a taste. And also, I did an unboxing of Thrive Market products that I had purchased. And this is one of the things that I purchased. It is a marinara sauce. So I'm going to be using this to go along with this bread. But let me go ahead and give it a taste first before I dip it into the sauce. Oh my God. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal, guys. It's crunchy on the outside and it's soft on the inside. And the flavors of the cheeses and the butter and the garlic is just coming together, and oh my goodness, it's making this a fantastic food experience. This is delicious. Okay. Like I said, I am going to roll the footage so that you can see how you can make your own delicious keto-friendly garlic bread. You will be happy that you did. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do press subscribe below, so that if you're not yet part of my YouTube family, please join me. And remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too, with more keto-friendly recipes. And also, one of the things that I want to share with you guys is, in the upcoming footage, I've got a helper today. Thank you guys again, and I will see you real soon. So, we'll go ahead and get you started on the dough for this bread.
Okay.
So,
what am I doing?
You are going to start with a, oh, and also you guys, by the way, I found this recipe on Pinterest, and it is from Nico's Kitchen. All right. So you are going to start with a half a cup of almond flour, and I want you to sift that.
Okay, I'm sifting.
You're sifting.
It's right here?
That's that right there.
Okay.
So put that in there.
Okay.
Okay.
This is my debut here.
That's your debut. Yes. Okay. keep sifting
My
that.
mom used to do it. She could do it.
Then there you go. See? Those lessons from your mom.
That's what I
They are
remember.
never forgotten.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. And while you're doing that, I am also going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Keep sifting, babe. We'll sift this in here.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Because that is our leavening agent that will give us some rise.
All right.
Okay, to this flour.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And that is it.
That's it?
Yeah,
Okay, let's see if you can take that and grind it up some more with this.
Oh.
With this. May not be able to get all of it, but we might be able to get a little bit more. Because that happens. Just like that.
Okay.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. And now you're going to dump in, let's see, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese.
Just dump it
Just
in
dump
there.
it in. Because that whole bowl is going to go into the microwave for 60 seconds.
Okay.
And then you're going to dump in, okay,
I'm going to
1
dump this
cup.
right now too?
Huh?
Oh.
No, and we're going to put in also 1 cup of the shredded mozzarella cheese.
Right now?
Right now, put it in here.
We're putting this whole thing
1
in?
cup, that's 1 cup. I pre-measured everything. I love to pre-measure. And a lot of times, guys, you will find that in keto-based breads, it uses cheese. That's like the binding agent.
Okay.
Okay? And having said that, you are off to the microwave for 60 seconds.
Off to the microwave. You messing
Okay,
up?
yeah, this is good. This
Okay.
is good, you guys. Okay. All right, this bowl is a little hot, so I have to put a heat protector on the counter. But this is good. So
Yeah.
that is all melted, just the way that we need it to be. And now we're just going to stir all the ingredients together until it forms a dough. Okay. And there's 1 beaten egg. I should have probably put this in before I mixed it all together, but I can still combine it. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Go ahead and let me start with this fork. I think it'll be easier to combine this. Yeah. But this formed a dough. You see how that formed that dough? Mm-hmm. And I also have to say too, this is the first time that I am making a keto bread. Yes. Yeah.
So you need to get your hands in there, huh?
I know, right? But I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Oh my gosh. I'm almost there.
Yeah, will this work better?
I'm not sure. Okay, you want to try it and see if that works better? I just thought maybe because, the egg is a little slimy and stuff, and I had that dough, I just thought maybe this fork would combine it a little bit better. It's doing its thing, right?
Yeah, it's doing its thing.
Doing its thing. And you guys, once this egg is incorporated into this dough, then the dough is finished, and it's just a matter of making the topping for this garlic bread, which I will show you how to make in just a couple minutes, because we're going to have to form this dough on that cookie sheet too. Okay, so now that this dough is formed, okay, baby, reach behind you and get that baking sheet. Okay. All right, yeah, you can get rid of all that too. Just move that off to the side. Okay. All right, and I don't think, yeah, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so this is the baking sheet that this is going to go on. So we can just get that, yeah, and take that out. And we're supposed to form this into like a little oval type of thing. And that's what we're going to do. It should be about,
This.
okay, supposed to be about,
You don't need that anymore?
no, we don't need that. It's supposed to be about a 1/2 inch in thickness. And again, it's supposed to be, this is going to be a small bread. I'm going to eat
Yes,
all of
it
this
is.
by myself.
Yeah, I'm sure you are. Because there's nothing for me right here.
But that looks amazing. I'm impressed.
Yes, it does.
I am so impressed with that. That looks good, you guys. Let me see. I can give you a close-up. See that?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, babe. Now, the next thing that we're going to do, again, is the topping. So, I guess, you want to do the topping? You want to mix it up?
Hey, well,
Okay.
I'm here.
All right. So, go ahead and put that there. Got a bowl. Okay, and then these are the ingredients for that. So, I want you to go ahead and put in the butter into your bowl.
So, here is the butter.
Yes. Okay, we're going to use this to mix it, okay? The whisk, okay? And then you're going to put in some Parmesan cheese.
I'm not mixing yet.
Nope, you don't need to.
Parmesan cheese is next.
Yes. And his recipe called for 1 tablespoon of butter, you guys. Okay, this is my party. 1 tablespoon not going to work. So I think it was about 3 tablespoons of butter.
Okay.
And then it also called for some Parmesan cheese. And it was 1 tablespoon of freshly grated Parmesan. So
am I mixing?
You can go ahead and mix if you want. Okay, and that was, how much would you say? That was probably about 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Mm-hmm. Yes. And I will tell you too, I didn't have any grated Parmesan cheese. I had some shredded and I had some shaved. And I put it into my NutriBullet and I changed it into grated. That's what you do. You make it work.
You can do it.
Yes. And then it also calls for some garlic. And it says 1 clove of minced garlic.
So,
I've got 2.
So you're going to put the garlic.
Put that in there. And guys, it smells so good in here. I love garlic.
Yes, you do.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then lastly, we've got some chopped up parsley.
And the parsley goes right in.
Yes, and that's 1 tablespoon. I follow a recipe for that. Because parsley can be a little bit bitter.
And we're going to mix this
Wow, that looks good.
Sure, this will mix.
Yes. Okay, you do your thing.
Yeah, you know, still got a few skills.
You do.
Know? All right.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay. All right. And we're going to put this back front and center. This all too small piece of dough. Okay.
Right.
So we're going to spread it on top.
Oh, we're going to spread it
We're going to spread it on top. Yeah.
So we're going to use this.
Yeah, we can use that.
This right here.
Uh-huh.
Spreading it all on the
Spread
top.
it on
Huh?
top. Wow. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, I'm loving the way that looks and smells. Yeah. Again, you guys, this is your recipe, so you tweak it to suit your own likings. And I did exactly that because if I remember from his video, his topping, his coating was not this thick, but I did all the extra. I put some extra Parmesan in there and some extra butter.
Let's see you
Dude. Because this is bringing me back, you know, growing up, you know, up north in New England. Let me tell you something, you guys. You can go almost anywhere and get some delicious bread. That's one thing. Lots of bakeries up there.
All right. All right.
And that is ready for the oven.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So we're going to go ahead and put that into a 400 degree oven. Let's see. And it's going to bake between 15 and 17 minutes.
All right.
Okay, so just slide that in the oven and put that timer on. And 16 minutes later, we have got this delicious keto-friendly garlic bread. And all you need to do is just let it rest for about 10-15 minutes before you cut into it and enjoy. So delicious.